Welcome to the Bird SMP, the greatest server in the history of Minecraft. I am Zoing the Phoenix, and this is the castle of my team and of course me. So I'm just gonna show you around the most important places of this amazing castle. And it is definitely not a schematic. Yes. So it's kind of big, but that's okay because I know every single place. Wait, where? I think I have to go from. No, wait. Where do I have to go from? Oh, yeah, from here. Oh wait, no. Okay, it's from here. So let's go. First of all is the villager room, where I have every single villager. We have sharpness 5, and we don't even care about the enchantments. We're just gonna see. Yeah, that's like one of the main rooms I am using. And here is the secret room. Yeah, it's taking a bit long, but we don't care. We have maxed down netherite and leather armor, and so much loot in these soldiers. And we even have every single armor tree in the game. Yes, that's it. So let's move to the next room. Also, I have this very cool banner design. Yes. Let's go to the next room. I don't even remember how to go there, so I'm just gonna go take a shortcut. Okay, that was all of my precious time. So as you can see here, there's a hole I can fly through. Just fucking fly. Alright, final. And I need to find my office, which is... okay, I found it. Right here. Yes. As you know, I love resin very much. Almost the same as crystal. No, that isn't truth. And here is the office that I have. Yeah, I know, it's amazing. And I have 3 orange beds here. And I'm gonna show you the brewing station, which is one of the first rooms I ever decorated from the inside. Yeah, it's from here. And also my spawn point is right here. And we have every single thing you will need for brewing. Yes. And we have another ward over here. And a broken window, so you can fly through if you don't want to go through this labyrinth. And the most important room of all is the room of the original dragon egg, because I have a way to duplicate them, and the original is staying in a specific spot which I need to find. Where is it? Oh wait, I have a way to find the room. Ow. Here are the animals. And up here are the crops. And up there... wait, I need to turn some different shaders. Please don't cross. Yeah, come on. Okay. And right here... ow. Is the original dragon egg with netherite blocks and these end rods, which I don't know what it symbolizes, but it doesn't matter because it's very cool. And up here is the room we saw, and this very dark and very horror hallway. Shaders, obviously, if you have full bright, that's like nothing. And we jump. Right there is the nether portal. and the grand arena, and I'm going to die. So this is the nether portal, which is very nice, and we have Clownpier's arena, which is obviously amazing. And now for the final part, I'm going to show you my secret weapon, which is, I mean, I can tell you right now. Alright, here is a nice village. There isn't nothing there. I need to get out my top secret sulfur box. Okay. Alright, I almost died from this, but can you leave me alone? Oh my. Wait, let me. What did I do? And here we have a non-destroyed Minecraft thing. Minecraft Savannah. Too bad. And I just orbital strike this entire area. So this is my part of the Bird SMP, which is going to be one of the servers I'm gonna make videos on, along with some other ones. So if you like the Bird SMP, do nothing, literally, I don't even care. Goodbye.